Where to find your next great hire. In my last episode, I mentioned how to make a compelling ad that's going to target who you're really looking for. And it's hopefully going to weed out the people that you really are not looking for. Please do not do the mirror test, trying to put a mirror under someone's mouth, and if they fog it up when they breathe, you got to hire. Those are not the people you're looking for. You're trying to find someone who's going to help you propel your business forward, who has the knowledge and experience. And I don't know how many times business owners are asking for 20 years of experience and a recent college graduate. It does not make sense. You will not find those people. You're doing conflicting messages. Which one do you want? Someone who's a recent college graduate, or do you want the experience? Pick one. It needs to state that, not both in the same ad. Your ad needs to be clear. But here, where are you going to source these people at? Welcome to today's episode of Biz Coach and Coffee, where we share business topics and coffee. Just like in coffee, if I want to find good coffee, I know the stores to go to. And I also know the stores not to go to. Just like you, where are you going to find this next great hire? You have this great ad. The first place where most people find their best employees is referrals. Asking other business owners in similar industries, where did you find that person? Or maybe talking to employees from other companies, might not be you, but who do you know like you? One of the greatest tricks that we used to use in one of my businesses was we would actually talk to all of our employees. Who do you know that fits this role? And here's the specifications for the role. They actually put out their feelers and found a nice cluster of candidates for us to talk to. And those candidates, besides becoming as a referral to us, they were actually a much higher quality. In fact, I've been reading many surveys saying at least 70% of the ads or the positions that are filled are done through referrals and internal networks. So use your internal networks as well. Could be someone you met at networking. They could be happy where they're at, but who do they know? Now, if you're using job boards, this is where your ad from the last episode needs to be very specific. And you need to have a process and systems in place on how to filter those people out and in. I keep saying filter them out because you're going to get a lot more people just throwing ads in, because with the days of one click, they're just clicking apply, apply, apply. They're not reading the ad. You don't want those people. Let them go on to the next position because they're just clicking. You need to find the best hire for your business to help that and have that person help you move your business forward. So now we talked about ads. We talked about where to source them. Start putting these things in motion. If you have any questions or comments about this episode or any future episodes, please let us know. Send us an email at steve@bizcoachsteve.com. We hope this helped. This is Biz Coach Steve Feld, to your business success.